In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute all upon entry in Zoom meeting. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your meeting quiet and focused right from the start. If you've ever been interrupted by background noise when new participants join, this setting will save you time and reduce distractions, especially in classes, webinars, or large team calls. You'll do this from inside an active Zoom meeting. Once your meeting is open, look along the meeting toolbar and click the Participants button. This opens the Participants pane, usually on the right side of your screen, and shows everyone who's currently in the meeting as well as anyone who joins. If you don't see the toolbar, move your mouse or tap your screen and it should appear. At the bottom of the Participants pane, you'll see a small 3 dots icon. Click that to open the More menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Mute All Upon Entry. Click it to enable the setting. When it's on, anyone who joins your meeting from this point forward will arrive muted automatically, preventing sudden bursts of background noise from microphones, keyboards, or busy environments. A couple of helpful notes as you use this. First, this setting applies to new arrivals after you turn it on. It won't retroactively mute people who are already in your meeting. Second, participants you've muted can still unmute themselves unless you've configured other permissions elsewhere. But the key here is that they won't join the meeting with their microphone live. Third, you'll need to be the host or a co-host to see and change this option, since it controls how others enter your meeting. When you enable Mute All Upon Entry, it's good practice to let your audience know they'll come in muted and how you want them to participate. You might mention at the start that they can raise their hand, use reactions, or type in the chat until it's time for discussion. This small heads up keeps things smooth and avoids confusion. If you ever want to turn the setting off during the same meeting, simply return to the Participants pane, click the 3 dots again, and toggle Mute All Upon Entry the same way. It's quick to enable and just as quick to disable. That's all there is to it. Click Participants, open the More menu with the 3 dots, and select Mute All Upon Entry. With this on, your meetings start calm, your audio stays clean, and everyone gets a better experience from the moment they join.